Alright, we're going to a car meet right now. Hopefully it's good, otherwise you guys will never see this video. But yeah, going to a little car meet. We're gonna go meet up with one of my buddies. He has a black Mark IV Supra Turbo. And yeah, hopefully it's a good turnout, or else you guys will never see this video. So we'll see you in a little bit. Alright, we're running a little bit early. Meet starts at 7:30. ETA right now is 7:20. So what I'm gonna do is go to the car wash because the STI is very, very filthy. I'm gonna get a quick wash, just clean it up a little bit, and then we'll be at the meet. At the meet, it is actually packed to my surprise, so we're just gonna walk around a little bit, see what cars pulled up. M3 on T's. I'm absolutely in love with this M3 CS right here though. This thing is absolutely crazy. Oh, I miss mine.
But they're not, like, y'all not even know.
This is probably my favorite car here. 911 GT3 Touring. This color, baby blue.
No, it's a fish, dude. It's a fish, dude. I hit the lotto twice. Nigga got the win. Hush gotta go. CJ got my credit cards and a lot of ones. Yeah, I'm in the city at a purple Sprite. Someone tell Malaya I'm on fire. She should work tonight.
Supras are outside today. This is actually Ian's Supra, the guy I mentioned earlier in the video. Super clean, left-hand drive, turbo. 6-speed, 2 steps loud as frick. There's another red one up here that looks really nice. This thing's cambered out like crazy. Literally my favorite car on the market right now. I'm about to sell my STI and a kidney for one of these. Such a good looking car, it's so sexy. It's actually blue too, it's not black. Alright y'all, that is it for today's video. It was really packed. Honestly, the cars were alright. There were some nice cars, but I don't know, the car scene out here in the Northern Virginia area is just, at least the nighttime car meets are just not all that great, but it's alright. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.